Hi guys, welcome to Joyoshare VidiKit channel. Today, we are going to teach you how to record live stream video with Joyoshare VidiKit. First, you need to download and operate Joyoshare VidiKit on your computer. Then select record section and tap screen recorder. You can choose record video and audio mode or record audio only. Second, tap gear icon near the receive button to alter recording parameters. You can choose output format and adjust your video's resolution, codec, frame rate, bitrate and quality here. You can also change shortcut keys and add image watermark. The record time options will enable you to schedule your recording tasks. If you want to highlight and show your mouse movement, you can choose appropriate parameters. Next, click triangle icon to select recording area. Now, you can record your videos.
From yourself, from Canada, where no one has fun after 9 p.m. Except in Quebec.
On the menu toolbar, you can hit the pause icon to skip unwanted content, the stop button to finish recording, and the cut button to cut recordings.
When I can and can't enjoy a drink.
Well, looks like Mother Canada just...
Finally, edit and save your video.
From yourself, from Canada, where no one has fun after 9 p.m. Except in Quebec.
That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.